Volvo Trucks unveils highly anticipated new VNL series. Volvo Trucks North America today revealed the new Volvo VNL series, the groundbreaking tractor that meets the needs of today's long-haul trucking customers and professional drivers through cutting-edge innovations in efficiency, productivity, safety and uptime. Available in several configurations, including an all-new 70-inch sleeper, the Volvo VNL series defines the shape of trucks to come. The new Volvo VNL builds on our long-standing commitment to deliver the safest, most comfortable and most efficient long-haul truck on the market, said Göran Nyberg, president of Volvo Trucks North America. Infused with new innovations and technologies, we're proud to expand upon that commitment to our current and future customers with this new design. Striking exterior designer, so the new Volvo VNL combined elements of Volvo design language with dynamic new features. Swept-back headlights include signature Volvo daytime running lights and frame the bold new Volvo grille and hood. Redesigned and repositioned engine air intakes allow for less turbulent intake air delivery. Airflow up and around the cab has also been optimized with new chassis and roof fairings. While we wanted the new VNL to make a statement on the road, we knew that it also had to make a statement to our customers' bottom lines, said Wade Long, Director of Product Marketing for Volvo Trucks North America. The incredible design elements that we've incorporated not only look great, but they add value for the customer. Whether it's the sleek new bodywork that improves aerodynamics, or the new 3-piece bumper that aids in repairability, every design change we've made has a purpose. Productivity boosting driver. Living environments productivity is directly affected by driver comfort, which is why the new Volvo VNL features an all-new dashboard which puts often-used controls within the driver's reach. Centered in the gauge cluster is a configurable 5-inch color driver information display that provides trip and diagnostic data. The driver information display is customizable, ensuring that critical information is always available to the driver at a quick glance. An optional infotainment system is available, featuring the 7-inch color touchscreen, navigation and an exterior backup camera. The premium audio system is integrated with the infotainment system, which also features Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay for the ultimate in connectivity. Additional apps can be downloaded to the infotainment system as well. A dash top tray features 12-volt power and USB connectivity to keep devices fully powered. The new Volvo VNL is also equipped with Volvo Smart Steering Wheel, putting controls for nearly all of the driver interface functions right at a driver's fingertips. The smart steering wheel is attached to Volvo's perfect positioned air-assisted, infinitely adjustable steering column, which enables drivers not only to tilt and telescope the steering column, but also tilt the steering wheel relative to the steering column. This lets drivers of all statures find the perfect steering wheel position and easily view the driver information display. A wide variety of seating options are available on the new Volvo VNL series. An increase in seat travel fore and aft, as well as up and down, improves driving ergonomics. Premium features like seat heating and ventilation are also available. We relied on feedback from nearly 2,000 driver interviews to make sure the changes we were making aligned with drivers' needs, said Jason Spence, Volvo Trucks Product Marketing Manager, Long Haul. The results speak for themselves. Our new VNL features the most comfortable, driver-friendly environment we've ever built. That comfort extends to the 4 sleeper cab configurations available in the new Volvo VNL. Designed to provide drivers a comfortable place to rest after a long day on the road, the sleeper options are packed with a number of space-saving, comfort-boosting innovations. Additionally, an all-new, full 70-inch sleeper is available in the Volvo VNL 760 and 740 models, taking Volvo's legendary comfort to an all-time high. All VNL sleepers feature curved cabinets that open toward the back to maximize space, as well as an integrated, reclining bunk, which is a trucking industry first in North America. LED interior lighting reduces power consumption and provides softer lighting. The redesigned sleeper control panel allows drivers to control heating and cooling, and adjust the audio system from a more ergonomic position on the bunk. In addition, drivers can lock the doors or activate a panic alarm if needed.